My name's James McKeag. I'm the Head of Materials for Watts Urethane products. I've been with the business for 4 years. My role involves three things. I do production support, so making sure that our various materials tick over nicely day to day. I handle customer issues and I provide solutions to their various problems they have. And I've also been very involved in new product development. One of the newest product developments we've been involved in recently is the generation of a soft grade of polyurethane to use in centrifugally cast floor squeegee sheet. The traditional range of products in our centrifuge cast sheet goes down from a 55 Sure-A, which is a soft rubber, up to a 95A, which is approaching a hard plastic. These products would go down from a 50A down to a 35A. At that softness, it's quite tricky to maintain a good abrasion resistance, good tensile properties, but our new system has a good abrasion resistance that's above a traditional rubber and also is antimicrobial and has antifungal properties as well. One of the more raw material focused projects that we've got on at the moment is the replacement of mboca. Mboca is going to be an issue for the entire polyurethane industry. It's a curative that's been used widely for its good processing and its good quality of product in the cured material. The problem is that it's a carcinogen, so it has to be handled very carefully. As a result of this, the EU is actually making it illegal at the end of 2021 to use mboca in a polyurethane. We're trying to get ahead of the game and we're looking to replace it by the end of this year. We've trialled a number of different alternatives in both tyre processing, industrial parts, mechanical properties, and we've got a number of viable alternatives that we're looking to put into pilot trials by the end of this month. My favourite thing about working for Watts is the level of variety in the work we do. For a chemist like me, there's a lot of different material systems, different hardnesses, like I've said, from soft rubber up to hard plastic. There's lots of different applications. We do marine environments, we do centrifugally cast sheet, we do wheel and tyre. So there's always something new to look at, new avenues to chase. And I'm quite a practical chemist, so there's ample opportunity for me to get my hands involved and be out there casting with the staff, and I really enjoy that element of it as well.